Assalamualaikum student of class 10. I am your ICT teacher Khurshid Alam Rani from Square High School and College, and today I am going to show you how to cut, copy and paste and use of crop tool and cropping up tilted picture in Photoshop. So let's get started. At first, I am opening two pictures. This one and again I am opening another picture. This one. Okay. You may select any object or image either fully or partially and cut, copy and paste it. Okay, I am selecting by elliptical marquee tool. Now I am go to edit menu and click on copy. Then I am going to another photo that I have opened, and now I am clicking on paste. Okay, if you paste any object after cutting or copying, a new layer is created and object is pasted on new layer. Now I am moving the copied part by move tool. Again, you can also cut and paste. I am taking rectangular marquee tool and selecting by it, and I am going to edit menu and clicking on cut. The selected part has been cut. Okay, now I am going to second image and then I am clicking on paste. Okay, by this method you can copy and paste or cut and paste of partially or fully selected part of any image or any object. Okay, the border of pictures collected from different sources cannot be perfect or precise. It can be required to cut off the edges or unnecessary part. In spite of that, the image can also be tilted to one side. Before starting editing, this kind of problem can be mended. The crop tool is used to cut off the unnecessary parts of an image. Crop means cutting off. The border of this old picture is uneven, and the first step of editing the picture will be cropping out the uneven edges. To get it done, select crop tool from the toolbox. Select the necessary part, keeping the uneven parts outside by clicking and dragging it like the rectangular marquee tool. Eight hollow box will be viewed, 4 on the arms of the selection and 4 on the corner. By clicking any one of the boxes and dragging it, the area of the selection can be either reduced or increased. Okay, after fixing the selection area, press the enter button of the keyboard and the area outside the selection will be cropped. Okay, if you think that the crop command should not be given even after selecting, press escape button to undo the effect. Selection can be made again if required. I am going back and selecting the area by crop tool. If you think that the crop command should not be given, then press escape button to undo the selection. Okay. Now cropping up tilted picture. I have opened a tilted picture. To crop any tilted picture, the picture is to be opened and the crop and straightened photo command is to be selected from the sub menu of automate command in file menu. Okay. Students, one thing you have to know that this process is applicable only for solid background. If the background is of multicolor, the work of cropping will be impossible. In that case, select with crop tool. The mouse pointer will be transformed into a curved pointer or rotate tool. The selection will be attached with the tilted position of the picture and the area of cropping will be finalized with other handles. Okay. Press enter button and the cropping up of the picture will be done and its positioning will be straight. Okay student, that was all about for today. In next class I will show you the use of eraser tool and creating blend with gradient tool. Till then, goodbye.